Good morning. I am meteorologist Steve Krasinowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update, where accuracy is everything. This is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020, and we'll call this one Wake Me Up When November Ends. All right, let's start off with some synoptic weather. So here is, we've been talking about rain moving up into the northeast and mid-Atlantic for midweek. Yesterday we talked about the disparities between the GFS and the European. We'll show you the NAM in a second, but the steadiest rain tomorrow now seemingly wants to hold off until late in the day. Heaviest will look south, pretty sharp cutoff as you exit Connecticut into Massachusetts. Here is the NAM rainfall. Again, I noted yesterday the expected sharp cutoffs, and you can see that significantly here. The North Shore of Long Island is pretty much the cutoff, or you could say even New York City. South of that, we'll see over an inch of rain, possibly 2 inches of rain. As you head down the Jersey Shore, it could even get more, 3.5 up to 4. But as you approach the southern coast of Connecticut, we're looking at less of an inch, and less and less and less as you head up north. So kind of have to pick your model and merge or pick your poison. Here is great theta. Oh, great. So we have eta, theta, and this piece here that is still 40 to 60% favorable chance of developing. So we are just not done. Wake me up when November ends. Here is the guidance for that storm, theta. Tropical storm. Again, yesterday I talked about the eastern track, so not really expecting that to affect the United States. Obviously, you start looking at theta and you start seeing all these areas of convection. See what I did here with our thetas? See what I did there? It's a little nerdy stuff, but here are the areas where we're seeing those high areas of convection, those deep pockets of yellow and orange. Convection is consolidated near the center, while frontal definition has rapidly decreased. Theta is starting to look more like a tropical cyclone than a subtropical cyclone. The National Hurricane Center has determined that Eta's winds have strengthened back up, though, to around 60 miles per hour. So formation-wise, it doesn't look great, but she's still kicking in there. We'll get a better look at the system structure and intensity when recon arrives later this morning. This was the last recon from last night. See, they tried to dance around a lot of the bands, eventually skirted inside. It's a bit of a mess. And then I'm missing one here. No, this is the one I want, sorry. Latent heat. There's enough latent heat that's been released by thunderstorms to produce anticyclonic flow aloft. So there was cyclonic flow here just yesterday, so earlier in yesterday. So you can see there are changes regarding tropical, subtropical, and I think tomorrow might be a good opportunity to kind of dive in on what that means. So I'm going to stop there. I am meteorologist Steve Krasinowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update, where accuracy is everything. Have a great day.